Welcome back to the Python and Pandas tutorial series. My name is Raja Ramesh, and in this short video we will go over who should take this course and what you will gain from it. Are you wondering if this Python and Pandas course is right choice for you? Whether you are a beginner or a tester or a data enthusiast, this course will help you to master Python and data handling. If you are a beginner without any prior experience, then no problem. We will start from scratch. If you are working in testing and you are a QA and automation engineers, Python is widely used for testing and automation projects. And if you are data analyst and data scientist, then Pandas and NumPy are must-have skills in that area. And if you are a student or a career switcher, learn Python for real-world applications. So, no matter your background, if you want to master Python for data handling, then go ahead and start with this course. And what you will learn out of this course. In this course, we will learn Python in structured way, step by step and with hands-on coding examples. So by the end of this course, you will be able to write Python code confidently. And if at all you need to use lists, dictionaries and other data structures in your programming, then you will be using those confidently. And you will be able to handle, filter and analyze the data using pandas. You can perform some numerical computations with NumPy, and you should be able to build small projects to apply your learnings. So coming to the structure of this course, we focus on short and focused videos, and we will learn the topics, and then we do some hands-on coding with examples. Then we will build some mini projects to apply the concepts we learn, and we will see the real-world data handling with pandas. So the flow goes like this: Python basics, functions, object-oriented concepts, pandas, NumPy, and mini projects. In the next video, we will see how to install Python and set up everything step by step. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.